guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we unmold a homemade soap, our first attempt, and we're going to cut it with a homemade cutter, also our first attempt. So let's hope it works out. So we made this mold. I had this mold made. It is slightly different in the sense that it splits in the middle. I'm going to turn it this way so you guys can see. So it actually splits in the middle like that. Ow. As you can see, the mold splits like that. And let's see how the soap worked out. It's a bit rough on the edges. Let's see. Oh my. the black ink came off on the soap. I'll turn it around so you can see it full. It's quite soapy. See, the black ink came off in the soap. So there's a lesson learned. We need to make sure the ink is not on the inside when we put it there. Alright, let's get that out of the way. And let's try our cutter. So it should just cut a little bit on each side. Sure. Oh, it's quite a... Oh, it's working. Rock it from side to side. It's actually cutting quite well. Just need to move it over. I need to cut grooves in the wood so that it goes all the way down through the soap, because it's still holding it in the air. But let's see how this comes out. Let's see if it's cut the whole thing. There is our coffee soap. Looks really nice. We'll still see, I'm sure it's still going to cure and the smell will develop better. But there is our first bar of soap. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification button. I will show you guys if I've changed the design on things to see if it works a little bit better. Once again, thank you.